JLG Industries presents the Walkaround Inspection for JLG 1500 AJP. You will learn how to conduct a proper walkaround inspection. You are responsible for the safe and proper operation of your machine and for complying with all applicable laws and regulations covering its proper use. You must not operate any machine until you have read and understood the operation and safety manual and any other required materials and have completed training under the supervision of an experienced and qualified operator. This video is one part of JLG's safety video series and is intended to serve as a supplement to your machine's manuals, kept with the machine at all times and, if not available, must be obtained by contacting your local JLG distributor or at www.jlg.com. Before each work shift or when changing operators, you must conduct a pre-operational check of your machine. This video focuses on the walk-around inspection only. Always refer to your operation and safety manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. The walk-around inspection ensures that the machine has no visible damage or missing components. Although this is a visual inspection, use your other senses to help determine the machine's condition. If at any time you discover any damage or discrepancy, remove the machine from service. Report the problem to the proper personnel. Do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. The machine must remain off during the inspection. Check the fuel level in the fuel tank. Never refuel during an electrical storm or near a potential ignition source. Ensure all of the required manuals are in the manual storage holder and that all periodic inspections and maintenance have been completed. On all components, ensure that there are no missing parts, that components are securely fastened, and no visible damage or excessive wear exists, in addition to any other criteria mentioned in the inspection procedure for your machine model. Do not overlook the visual inspection of the underside. All control markings, decals, and placards must be present, clean, and legible. For the 1500 AJP, inspect the following parts. The platform assembly and gate. Ensure the foot switch works properly and is not modified, disabled, or blocked. Ensure the gate latch and hinges are in working condition. Inspect the platform and ground control consoles. Verify that all switches and levers return to neutral, the decals and placards are secure and legible, and the control markings are legible. Inspect the boom sections and turntable. Check the swing drive and ensure there is no evidence of damage. Make sure that the wheel and tire assemblies are properly secured and that there are no missing lug bolts. Inspect for worn tread, cuts, tears, or other discrepancies. Inspect the wheels for damage or corrosion. Confirm that there is no evidence of leakage from the drive motor, brake, and hub. Inspect the hood assemblies and auxiliary hydraulic pump. Examine the turntable bearing for evidence of proper lubrication. Ensure there is no evidence of loose bolts or looseness between the bearing and machine. Inspect the steering spindles and sensors, the hydraulic pump, and platform rotator. Inspect the jib rotator, axles, and skyguard if equipped. Check the DEF tank if equipped for the proper fluid level. Check the machine for modifications to original components. Verify that any modifications have been approved by JLG. This concludes the walk-around inspection. To review, perform a visual inspection of the machine. Always refer to the operation and safety manual when doing the inspection. Ensure the machine has a full tank of fuel, and if you find any damage or discrepancy, remove the machine from service. Report the problem to the proper maintenance personnel. Do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. Properly operating your machine helps you to complete your work in a safe manner. Safe operation is critical to avoid potential hazards. Beginner operators should practice these safe procedures before operating on actual work sites with an experienced and qualified operator. If you require further clarification on operating your machine, contact JLG Product Safety and Reliability at 877-554-7233, or if you are outside of the United States, +1 717 485 6591, or contact by email at productsafety@jlg.com. JLG Ground Support, reaching out to help you reach your potential.